This is kind of a lifelong dream for me to have a grandson in the business and who likes the business. Hopefully a granddaughter who might like the business, which would be great. So I guess that's what we work hard for. So, and you know, as I've said many times, we need everybody here. We can't do what you do. You know, we can set the foundation, but you really do the job, and you do it well. I say thank you very, very much. And again, this is not too many people get to have their grandchildren involved in the business. I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but anyway, it's been a good journey, and I love you all. And so let's have some cake.
We also have the beautiful and talented Lauren Huff from Chevrolet. Lauren, we're here to celebrate something else too. We've got just got a couple presentations here because of all of you and all your hard work and what you've been able to help us do here at the dealership. Lauren, you want to talk about these two trophies?
Yeah, every single year, I feel like since I've been the DM here, and then obviously for much longer, I've gotten to be here and present and thank you guys for all of the wonderful work you do every single day. I think Senior said it best. I certainly cannot do what you guys do. They can't do what you guys do, and you guys do a wonderful job, and it shows. So these awards are for all-around dealership excellence, right? So that means you guys are constantly providing awesome service to your customers. You guys are repairing vehicles, selling parts, buying parts, and these are your selling cars, and you're doing an excellent job at that. So on behalf of General Motors, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for everything you do every single day. Thank you guys, and more than one thing to celebrate today. Congratulations to all of you as well.